Is your Xbox app refusing to open or acting glitchy on your Windows 10 or 11 PC? In this video, I will show you quick and easy steps to get it working perfectly again. Reset the app. For that, click on the Start menu and search for Settings. Now navigate to the option Apps. Head over to the option Installed Apps. From this list, search for Xbox. After it appears, click on three dots. Click on the option Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see Repair. Hit that first. Wait a second. Let it do its thing. Then click Reset right below it and confirm. Try relaunching the Xbox app now. Sometimes that's all it needs. If not, you can hit towards next steps. Check Xbox Services. For that, click on the Start menu. Search for Services. Then open it. Scroll all the way down until you spot the Xbox services. You'll see four of them: Xbox Accessory Management Service, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, Xbox Live Networking Service. For each one, double click it. Make sure startup type is set to automatic. Click Apply, then hit Start if the service is not running already. Click OK. Do this for all four, tedious but worth it. When they are all humming, try your Xbox app again. If still you're having the issue, it might be because the outdated version of Xbox, so you'll need to update it. So head over to Microsoft Store. Now search for Xbox. After it appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update it. So these are some fixes for Xbox app not working or opening on Windows 10 or 11 on PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.